Great Supermarket. We are at the Great Supermarket in Buea, located close to the Opportunity Industrialization Center, Cameroon OIC, a market that has increasingly been criticized for its positioning because there's always been a risk of persons being killed in case an accident occurred. And what people fear most has happened today. It is Wednesday, the 17th of July, 2024. In the early hours of this day, a private vehicle, which we see directly behind us, we cannot understand exactly what happened, if the driver lost control of the vehicle or the vehicle lost its brakes. But what we can see is that it ended up its course here on a tree by the roadside of the market here, where some persons were offloading tomatoes from a tricycle fondly referred to as keke, and in the process, of course, we have a number of persons who have sustained injuries. There are a total of 7 persons, according to the information we've confirmed here, who've been rushed to the hospital. 3 who were in the vehicle and 4 others who were standing by. And beside us are 2 persons who are lying dead. 2 persons are confirmed to have died, while 7 are in the hospital right now, including the driver of the vehicle we see behind us. And it once again brings to the fore the problem of the positioning of the Great Supermarket, where inhabitants of Buea have increasingly questioned why it is not relocated to safer sites, like the case of the Buea Central Market, which recently saw the inauguration of new stores and shops, where the Minister of Decentralization and Local Development, Georges Elanga Obam, personally came to inaugurate the new stores and shops. I think at this point in time, the Buea Council, alongside other stakeholders in this municipality, will see the dire need for this market to be relocated from where it stands currently, where it poses a threat of many more persons dying. From the Great Supermarket in Buea, I am Joseph Bueno.
Vraiment, on ne comprend pas ce qui ne va pas dans ce pays. Chaque 1 semaine à 2 semaines, il y a un accident mortel dans l'une des régions. Dans l'une des régions de ce pays, il y a toujours un accident mortel. On ne comprend pas ce qui ne va pas. Comment est-ce qu'un pays, chaque 1 semaine ou 2 semaines, il y a des accidents mortels? Ce qui est arrivé à Buea, c'est parce que les routes ne sont pas bien construites. Les routes ne sont pas larges. Voilà pourquoi il y a cet accident mortel. Voilà pourquoi la voiture venait écraser tout le monde en route, parce qu'il n'y a pas là où les gens peuvent vendre. Il n'y a pas, un endroit que les gens peuvent vendre. On ne compare dans ce pays. Hein? Ça, c'est la faute des dirigeants de ce pays. Ce pays qui est dirigé depuis 1980-82 par une personne. 42 ans pour pouvoir sans partage. Hein? Chaque 1 semaine, 2 semaines, dans l'une des régions, il y a un accident mortel. On ne comprend plus rien. Ça, c'est vraiment, ça a exagéré ça. On est fatigué de ça là déjà. On est vraiment fatigué. Ça doit s'arrêter ça là. Ça doit s'arrêter. On est fatigué de ces histoires. Chaque 1 semaine, 2 semaines, il y a un accident mortel dans l'une des régions du Cameroun. Ce qui s'est passé à Buea, c'est parce que le gouvernement ne fait rien pour agrandir la route. Voilà pourquoi il y a eu cet accident mortel. C'est vraiment décevant et c'est pitoyable. Ça fait mal.